Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Todd Coons, and typically I do all things photography on this channel, as you probably know, because most of you guys are return viewers, and I appreciate you. But today I want to do an update on Hurricane Helene. And if you know me at all, if you're family, if you are a frequent viewer of this channel, you know that I live in the upstate of South Carolina. And last September we got hit with Hurricane Helene, and my particular neighborhood got hit really hard. And in fact, I had a tree on the house, and we've been recovering ever since. So we're about 7 months into this thing, and we're still going. But I wanted to give you guys a quick update. I walked the neighborhood tonight, and just to give you a little bit of an update as far as my area is concerned, we're recovering. You know, across the street and down a couple is a house where the tree literally went straight through the house. I call it the cake house because it got sliced just like a piece of cake. I really thought they were going to tear that house to the ground, but somebody purchased it and they are restoring it now, so they're in the process of rebuilding that. I took kind of a neat shot the other day where there was a dogwood tree blooming in front of the guys that were framing out the section of the house that got torn out and replaced. But the house next to it, it got hit really hard. They're fixing that up. And there's a lot of things that are getting fixed. There's new mailboxes in the neighborhood and just little things that are starting to happen and have been happening for a while. There are a lot of tree stumps and uprooted trees where there's just the stump part left. There's that all over the neighborhood. There's a lot of debris in the ravines and stuff that probably, I don't know, may never get completely fixed. They may just let it sit there. You know, some of those trees are down in ravines. I'm not even sure how you get to them all that easily. But there are also some houses where the trees are still laying on the house. I don't know the story behind it. If, you know, nobody lives there, nobody cares, nobody knows, I don't know. But there are a few of these still around where the tree is still just leaning there as it was the day of the hurricane. And then there's one house that's, you know, a pretty sad story. They completely tore this house down. It's just gone. It was this cute little bungalow type house that used to sit there. And if I heard the story correctly, it was an older lady that lived there. She was not home at the time. So I think the house was empty. Nobody got hurt. And sadly enough, from what I understand, they did not tell her what happened to the house because she was old enough and elderly and probably wasn't coming back to the house because of health issues. So they just didn't tell her. Now, don't hold me to that story. That's the gossip in the neighborhood that I heard, but kind of a sad thing. That house is now gone, but they are fixing houses and we're getting there. So I wanted to give you a quick update on what's happening at my house. As you can see, I've got a bunch of bags of concrete behind me. They are about to start doing our deck. Most of the inside and roof work is all finished. The house is finally sealed. The one window that had to be replaced has been replaced. And now we're working on the backyard. Now the pool, I don't know if you can see, still an absolute mess back there, and I'm not sure how that's going to play out or when that's going to get done, but the deck is about to get started this week. But let me walk you around a little bit and show you what they're doing, show you the front yard, and just give you a little bit of an update. Okay, so you can see all the holes here that they're digging, and our contractor is a guy named Ben, and Ben is just phenomenal. He's awesome. I totally trust him. He's smart. He's passionate about what he's doing, and he's just really good at what he does. So he's about to build this deck. As you can see, it's completely ripped off now. There was a lot of damage done to the bricks around this back door where it just ripped the old deck off. So we're waiting on insurance to hopefully approve a supplemental claim and take care of some of that. That door is going to be completely replaced because of the damage that was done around it. It can't really be repaired correctly, so without just replacing it. So that door is going to be replaced. There's my pretty new window. Of course, it's black. All the other ones are white. So if anybody wants to send me a whole bunch of money, we'll do all the rest of the windows at some point. So yeah, that's that decking's all going to be redone. The pool itself, still a mess. Like I said, I'm not sure when that's all going to get done. And we've had all that water sitting in the pool all winter, but now that it's starting to get warm, I think the frogs are starting to like it. They're getting excited to be in there. The mosquitoes are coming. So I went out and bought a pump, and I am pumping out the rest of the water today to get all that drained out, because that's going to get nasty really quick. Now, as far as the front yard is concerned, like I said, the roof and the gutters are all done. I mean, so much prettier. It just really looks good. The downspouts are now black. They used to be white and kind of dingy. But I wanted to point something out. If you notice, here's the two stumps from the trees that fell in the front of my yard. We are going to have a guy come out and grind those stumps and get rid of those very soon. And he's also going to trim the two big trees that are left, because I do not want to have any more issues if it gets windy or anything happens again. But because these two trees are gone, my azalea bushes are blooming like they've never bloomed before. They used to bloom a little bit, but if you notice, all across the front of my house is pink. That's never really been true before, and I think a lot of it was just so much shade in the front of my house that they just didn't bloom like they did this year. So kind of a neat little thing, a benefit. But yeah, those stumps will be gone, and hopefully the front yard will get back to looking like a halfway decent backyard soon. Okay guys, there's the quick update from Spartanburg, South Carolina concerning the Hurricane Helene recovery. You know, what's going on here. 7 months later, we're still working on it. We're getting there. We're progressing. My house is going to be better than it was before. You know, a lot of the decisions that Amy and I are making are, you know, let's not cut any corners just to get things done. Let's do it right. The deck's going to be better than it was before. And we're actually going to put some big beams on the sides of the deck so that we can eventually go back and put a roof on it and then screen it in. So eventually it will be a screened in patio. It's going to be fantastic. It's going to be better than it was before. It's just taken time. We knew it would take some time, but at the same time I knew it's going to be better. It's going to be everything we dreamed about doing for years, and we're going to get it done. So if you got comments, questions, complaints, let me know in the comment section. I appreciate every one of you watching, and I appreciate a thumbs up if you would do it for me. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video. We're going to do photography next time. I don't know if you saw, I've got a bird feeder on the other side. We're going to do a flash photography bird shot. I tried to do it with hummingbird last year. I think this year we're going to do it with cardinals. It's going to be an epic shot. I'm excited about that. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next video.